Hey guys, Paul Pluta on the ArchieLuxury and the Paul Pluta channels. Today guys, I want to talk about the most ridiculous limited edition watch out there. And it's a tale of ego and bad taste. And before we start this video, a quick wristwatch check. I'm wearing Rolex Milgauss. Before I get into the meat of this story here, I firstly want to say I love Zenith. Zenith is a brand that I really love. I own an El Primero Chronomeister 1969. I love the brand Zenith. It's been an underdog of the Swiss watch industry. They have a very, very long history, and they've made some beautiful pieces. They've also had some absolute fucking stinkers. The Define line, fuck. And did you see some of Clyde's Zenith pieces? Fuck, they were bad taste. But this story isn't about Clive or my El Primero Chronomaster. No, this is a story of wristwatch stupidity and ego and bad taste. So basically, there's a Facebook forum for Australian collectors of wristwatches. So it's a Facebook Australian watch forum. I'm not going to get into it, name it explicitly, but they basically are a forum where they started off for collectors, alpha males with big egos, to outdo each other. A dick showing competition. I got better stuff than you. And I got two ugly dogs and an unsellable SUV, you know. I've got a Mercedes. I've got this. I got that. They're just very schoolyard antics. Anyhow, the ego gets massaged. Now, you know, back in the day, people like Rolex and Patek Philippe, you could get customized dials. You've often seen those Arabian coats of arms on Rolexes. That was because Rolex was not as big as today and they needed money. Saddam Hussein, he even had his coat of arms on Patek. Yes, the Sterns were friends with Saddam Hussein. In fact, you've got to understand the Sterns are business people. If a wealthy customer wants to pay you excessive money to put a stupid logo on your watch, well, hey, that can be arranged. Times have changed, and now these Swiss, they wouldn't dream of doing such a thing. Even though a couple decades ago, they were buying for the chance. So you've got to really pull out a brand that is a bit fucking soft. Enter Zenith. Zenith. It's a long-established Swiss brand, but fucking hard to sell. So the Australasian manager, he gets in touch with this Facebook group and says, how about we get a limited edition? If he was Rolex or Patek, he'd laugh. But because he's Zenith, he asked Switzerland, hey, I got 26 orders for a pilot in bronze. Can you do it? The bean counters at Zenith put the numbers through and say, of course we can. Hence, a limited edition version of a Zenith pilot watch was released. 26 of these pieces were released. And they decided to go for bronze. They wanted a steel back because bronze is a fucking awful metal. And they went for a left-hand crown. Why the fuck they went for a left-hand crown is beyond me. Yes, they're rare left-hand, but there's a reason. Because they dig your fucking wrist. For most people who are right-handed, it digs into their wrists, okay? So you're going to limit your market. And then they put the Southern, they slap on the Southern Cross. What a clever idea to make it an Australian limited edition. Yes, that's not too expensive to do. We can do that. And this became, they had to agree to buy 26 of these pieces. 26 Zeniths at full retail. Full retail, 26 Zenith limited editions. Now, I don't want to say anything nasty. I don't want to be mean. I don't want to be vicious. But fuck me dead. Some poor bastard is stuck with multiple versions of this watch at full retail. Fuck. This is when your ego, you got to keep your ego in check. See, you may think you're important and special, but it don't fucking work that way. It doesn't fucking work that way. And this is the whole thing. These watches are fucking unsellable. Fucking unsellable. The only way these things would sell is if you halve the fucking price. But ego, greed, and stupidity mix in to this horrid fucking mess. Now, I can't actually put this watch on the screen because they would flag me. They get upset that I'm speaking the truth. So I've put a few articles down below in the description which highlight some of these watches. And I gotta be honest with you, this would have to be the most fucking stupid limited edition I've ever fucking seen. How fucking stupid, how fucking out of control was the ego of this group of clowns? That is what I want to know. They agreed to buy 26. 6 might have been a good idea. 6 might have been really cool, but not fucking 26. Do you idiots realize that most of the people on these forums are cunts? Nickel and diming cunts. They're not the sort of people who would buy an obscure brand at full fucking retail. It is a major case of wristwatch stupidity, ego, greed, and absolute bad fucking taste. And I gotta be honest with you, I saw this disaster evolving and I thought, I said at the time, who the fuck would pay retail for a Zenith? And I was hosed down. I was not invited back to this group's little function, little clicky function. Well, fuck you! Fuck you, cunts! Fuck you, fuck you, fuck you! I'm going to tell the truth about your stupid fucking limited edition. It was a fucking stupid idea. It is ego and bad taste mixed together. Ego, bad taste. Well, all I can say is I hope it cost you fucking cunts a fortune. And do I feel sorry for the people who are stuck with 26 fucking watches? No, it couldn't happen to a nicer bunch of cunts. It couldn't happen to a nicer bunch of cunts. So, yeah, that's the most ridiculous, the most stupid fucking limited edition watch I've ever seen. And I hope you've moved the excess orders. I'm ArchieLuxury. Fuck you, you lousy cunts. Fuck you. Fuck you. And I gotta say, just what a fucking stupid idea. Absolutely stupid. So, you know, Zenith was going to, you know, they approached me. They said, if I only had to buy 15, they would have put my logo on the face there. I only had to put down for 15. I said, fuck no. Fuck no. So, guys, I think they saw you coming. Ego and bad taste. Tell me what you think of that, fuckers. Do you think these are sellable? Will they ever move? I'm Paul Pluto. Tell me what you fuckers think of that. Nice one, Arch. Great vid. Good to see those cunts stuck with 26 examples. Hi guys, Paul Pluto, the method actor who plays Archibald Chesterfield III. Guys, I want to tell you this is so important. Guys, I depend on my Patreon supporters. Just this week, I used my Patreon funds to get myself a fantastic, lightweight, gimbal travel camera. And I just want to say thank you. This was made possible because of my Patreons. The Patreons, they made this purchase possible. And it's, you know, a piece of equipment like this is $600, plus I need a few memory cards. It's such an expensive business. Guys, if you haven't sponsored me on Patreon, please do so. Look in the description for this video here. It'll tell you ways you can help me. Guys, help me stay full-time on YouTube making videos. By helping me on Patreon, you send a small amount each month to me to keep me enthused and making videos. I can buy equipment like this little gimbal camera. Guys, come on, help me a lot, help me very much so, because guys, I want your help. I need help to make quality content. And I got to be honest with you, if I didn't have your help, it's not going to be much good, guys. It's not going to be much good. I need your help to buy equipment and to do things. So, guys, sponsor me on Patreon, and I'll be here for you. That's right, I'll be here for you. Please, guys, help me on Patreon. See you later. Hey, guys, ArchieLuxury. Pick a box, pick a box, pick a box, pick a box. What does your wristwatch box say about you? Let's have a look here. What do we got? Pick a box, pick a box, pick a box, pick a box, pick a box. Which one would you choose? Would you choose the big wooden boxes, the blue box, the green, or a red box, or a fancy box? Which box would you pick? Pick a box, pick a box, pick a box. Pick a box, fuckers. Which box would you pick?
money, though our friendship ceases.